Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Darpan Kaur and today I'm going to teach you how to brush your teeth properly. I've noticed there's a lot of misinformation and ignorance when it comes to toothbrushing, and I am here to teach you the proper brushing technique. I'd like to bring to your notice that our teeth undergo a lot of changes as we grow older. I mean, we literally shed our entire dentition and grow a whole new set of teeth. Because of this, our brushing methodology also needs to undergo modification as we grow older. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you need to brush your teeth if you're a young adult, an adult, or have non-receding gums. So this entire portion is called the head of the toothbrush, and these are the bristles. Now what you're supposed to do is keep the head of the toothbrush parallel to the biting level of your teeth so that your toothbrush covers at least 3 to 4 of your teeth at the same time. Next, you're going to place your bristles at the junction of the tooth and the gums, and then slowly rotate your toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees. Then we're going to give gentle vibratory back and forth motions, and then you're going to rotate your brush outwards so as to remove all the debris from your teeth. We're going to repeat this till we're done brushing all of our teeth. So once you're done brushing the outer surfaces of your teeth, it's time to move to the inner surface. Now it can be tough to place the entire head of the toothbrush on the inner surfaces of your teeth, not only because of the angle but also because it may cause gagging. So what you can do is use just the tip of your toothbrush like so, but all the while making sure you follow the same technique. Finally, we'll brush the biting surfaces of our teeth in a back and forth motion. So we move from the outward surface to the inner surface and lastly to the biting surface. Similarly, for your lower teeth, the bristles have to be placed at an angle of 45 degrees. Gentle vibratory back and forth motions are to be given, followed by an outward upper rotation. Do not neglect the surface of your tongue. Neglecting your tongue during toothbrushing can become a major cause of bad breath. You can either use the same toothbrush or various tongue cleaning accessories available in the market. While this technique does require practice, it offers advantages such as proper oral hygiene and much needed stimulation for your gums. So make sure you practice proper oral hygiene for part 2, where I'm going to talk about how you need to brush your teeth if you have receding gums. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on oral hygiene. Bye-bye and see you next time.